In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear bumper cover on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted to the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way into the wheel well. We're going to remove the hardware here and gently pull the corner out of place. Once we've done so, we'll do the same on the other side of the vehicle. In this area, you'll be looking for 3 Phillips head screws. You'll find that you have 2 out in the open. The third one's right up in this corner. Take hold of the bumper cover, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the fender. Do the same on the other side of the vehicle. Slide your way under the rear of the vehicle. You'll find that you have 2 push clips under this area to remove. There's one right here. Pop the center out of there. Once you've removed the center, you can remove the outer portion. Sometimes these come together as one piece, other times they come separate, so we'll just push them together. A quick inspection, make sure it is reusable. Set that aside. Move along to your second push clip. Same process. All right, let's pop the trunk. Once you have that open, you want to pay attention along each side. You'll find that you have a small plastic cover that you can remove, and behind that, you'll find a 10mm headed mounting bolt. We'll give each one of the covers a close inspection because you do want to reuse those. Remove that 10mm bolt and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Now we can carefully start pulling the bumper cover away. There we are. And there it is, friends. Now we can start putting the bumper cover in place. While doing so, there's several areas you want to pay attention to. Along each side of the vehicle, you'll have an area along the back with a couple clips. As you make your way underneath the tail lamp assembly, there's also a bracket. It needs to go above the bracket but underneath the tail lamp. We'll continue following this along the side of the vehicle, in between this plastic area and the tail lamp, and then down along the fender. While we bring this up, let's be extremely careful for any paint. We don't want to cause any damage. I've got my lower brackets here. Get it up on there. Upper bracket. Along the side. Let's get those 10mm head bolts in there. Reinstall your cover. Underneath the bumper cover, we'll continue on with our 2 push clips. In the wheel well, we'll continue on with our 3 Phillips head screws. Confirm everything's secure on this side of the vehicle and do the exact same thing to the other side of the vehicle. Okay friend, we fully installed our rear bumper cover. At this point, you want to take your vehicle for a road test and make sure you don't hear any funny noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.